40 questions, only one correct answer each. How far can you go? Let's begin. Find the closest synonym of dynamic. Answer B, energetic. Which is a synonym of pool? Answer C, pond. What does save face mean? Answer D, avoid shame. What does pluck up courage mean? Answer A, dare. Choose the antonym of cynical. Answer C, optimistic. What is the antonym of allow? Answer D, forbid. Choose the antonym of banish. Answer B, welcome. Choose the correct plural of laboratory. Answer D, laboratories. What is the plural form of batch? Answer A, batches. Choose the correct plural of milk. Answer C, milk. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer B. He failed to submit the report on time. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. I do recommend acting quickly. What is the past form of will? Answer D. 1. Choose the past tense of overlay. Answer B. Overlaid. What is the past form of bind? Answer A. Bound. Choose the correct spelling. Answer C. Regularly. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Confidently. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B. Romantic. Which is a synonym of turbulent? Answer B. Chaotic. Pick a synonym of mature. Answer A. Adult. Choose a synonym of uncommon. Answer D. Rare. What does fly off the handle mean? Answer B. Lose temper. What does have an axe to grind mean? Answer C. Hidden motive. What does drive a hard bargain mean? Answer D. Bargain hard. Choose the antonym of cry. Answer B. Laugh. Opposite of decipher. Answer C. Obscure. Choose the correct plural of salmon. Answer B. Salmon. What is the plural form of coma? Answer D. Comas. Choose the correct plural of student. Answer A. Students. Fill the gap. Answer D. Meeting minute were shared. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. She asked me how long I had been living in this city. Fill the gap. Answer D. They asked whether we could join them for dinner. Choose the past form of slay. Answer B. Slew. What's the past tense of bear? Answer A. Bore. Choose the past form of spill. Answer C. Spilt. Almost done. Last for questions. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Construct. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C. Lawfully. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Differently. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Far away. You made it to the end. How many answers were correct? Subscribe for more quizzes.